Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we are looking at the GIHETKUT electric cooktop, a versatile two-burner stove that promises to bridge the gap between heavy-duty cooking and portable convenience. If you live in an apartment, an RV, or simply need an extra cooking station for your home kitchen, you know that finding a reliable electric burner that actually gets hot enough to cook properly is a struggle. Let us find out if this unit delivers on its promises. First off, let us talk about the design and power. This unit features two independent heating zones that offer a combined power output. It operates on standard 110 to 120 volt outlets, which is a huge plus because it means you do not need special electrical work done to get it running. The surface is made of sleek black ceramic glass, which not only looks professional but is also scratch and heat resistant. One thing I really appreciate is the versatility. You can use this as a countertop unit for casual cooking or have it professionally installed as a built-in if you are trying to maximize your kitchen counter space. When it comes to control, the combination of sensor touch and knob controls is a smart choice. You get 9 power levels and 10 temperature settings, which gives you the precision needed to sear a steak or gently simmer a delicate sauce. The dual LED display allows you to monitor both burners individually, which is essential when you are managing two different dishes at once. Plus, the safety features are robust. It includes an automatic safety shutoff, an overheat protection system, and a child safety lock to prevent any accidents. It even includes a timer that runs up to 99 minutes, so you do not have to worry about leaving the stove on by mistake. Now, let us discuss the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, the compatibility here is unmatched. Unlike induction cooktops that require specific magnetic cookware, this electric stove works with almost anything. Whether you are using iron, aluminum, stainless steel, ceramic, or heat-resistant glass, you are good to go. It is also extremely easy to clean thanks to the flat ceramic surface. On the downside, because it uses standard voltage, it may take slightly longer to reach high temperatures compared to a heavy-duty gas range. However, for a portable or secondary cooktop, the performance is very impressive. In conclusion, the GIHETKUT two-burner electric cooktop is a solid investment for anyone needing a flexible cooking solution. It combines modern design, safety, and compatibility in a compact package that fits perfectly into modern living arrangements. If you are looking to upgrade your cooking setup without a full kitchen renovation, this is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.